Hi, folks. Chris Voss here from the chrisvossshow.com. Hey, coming here with a new super cool product from Rosewill.com. This is their electronic standing desk that they have. It's RSD10 on their website. And this is basically a frame and wood tabletop with height adjustable sit-stand modes, silent dual motors, memory settings, and sturdy, which supports up to 220 pounds of stuff. Very easy assembly. I put this together myself, and it worked out pretty darn good. It's basically electronic adjustable standing desk, and you can have ergonomics at your fingertips, and it will go up and down depending upon what you think you need to do. Very silent operation with two dual motors. Like I said, max load capacity is 220 pounds. You can push the automatic buttons on the front, and it will move up and down. It will even do memory positions, and you can go anywhere from 24.8 inches in height all the way up to 49.2, where you can easily stand at it depending upon any height, and you can fit it to where it's very comfortable to stand at as well. It's 40 inches in length, 27.6 in width, and 24.8 in height, according to the unit. Of course, depends on how you move the height as well. And it works really, really well. It's fairly easy to set up, not too much work. And of course, you've got your memory and power saving modes where you can move it up and down, and even goes to a power saving mode after 10 minutes to reduce power consumption. Really cool that way. And like I said, I was very, very super impressed with the product. You can go to rosewill.com, tell them Chris Voss sent you. Chris Voss tested, Chris Voss approved. We'll see you next time.